Today we will be reviewing the Ozeri 360-degree tower fan. It comes with a remote. All of its functions are also available on the top of the fan. And there is some assembly required. So let's turn it on with the remote. The one with the bars is speed. You can see right now there are only 4 small bars on the left. Now there are a few more, and they're higher. It's now on medium, and now it's on high. This is low. And another function it has is the timer. You can see it now has 0.0 hours. So I press it again, and now it's 0.5 hours or 30 minutes. Now it's 1 hour, and it goes on for 30-minute intervals until it gets to 8. Then it will just reset at 0. At the end of each of these timers, it will simply shut off, but it doesn't actually tell you where it is in the time. The next function is the one with the tree. It's mode. You can see it in that middle box on the right. That symbol means normal. Now it has trees, and that is natural. You can actually see in the speed bar a basic it's just a simulation on how it actually works. It starts at a low and then goes up to the speed it should be at. It also works with medium, starting low, going higher, and at the high speed, it'll go up to the highest point. Then there is the rest mode. This one is very strange. It also changes its intervals, but it also has some downtime. The next is auto. It's the triangle. This will actually set it to the current temperature you have it on, in this case 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will automatically turn itself off as soon as it drops down to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. And the next one is oscillation. This is where the 360 degrees of rotation comes from. It has 4 settings: 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 36 degrees. I mean 360. Right now it's on 60, so it will be turning in 60-degree intervals. Now I'll set it to 90. Well, I'm sure a lot of people could tell that it's not actually turning at 90 or 360. That was definitely a little too much, but you just need to deal with the fact that it has its own mind sometimes. So I'll put it on 360 now. So now it should be making full rotations. Another thing about this, the commands on the remote mostly do not work unless the front is facing you. That shelf in the back is also a place for the remote to be put into, in between the two bars. Next is the dimming button. Pretty much the simplest, as it just dims it or turns it back on. It turns off pretty much all settings except the mode. Pressing any other button will get rid of the dimming. And here's how you would actually put the remote in. You would just slide it into the tabs, and you can easily just pull it out. And yeah, that is the Ozeri 360 degrees tower fan. Oh yeah, one other thing you should note, the cable is a little short. So you might need to take a note of that.